Good morning, dear students. I hope you are well at home. As you know, Corona has spread all over the world rapidly, and the number of death cases are increasing day by day. So it is not possible to hold class in schools. So we have decided to arrange online classes for you. I hope you will enjoy these classes. Students, please attend this class regularly. If you miss even a single class, it means you are missing something. Online classes are as necessary as the classes which are held in schools. So please attend this class also. It will be very interesting to join this class. I hope so. You will also enjoy this class. Today we will start English new topic, article. What is article? Article is necessary. It is not an inferior topic. It is necessary topic. Because we have to learn complete language structure. Grammar, all topics of grammar are necessary for learning English, accurate English. So article is as important as the other topics. So please don't think that we already know this topic. Please learn this topic also completely and try to learn each and everything completely only once, no time again. I hope so. Article. What is article? Article are those words which tell us that a noun or pronoun is coming after them. Article are those words which tell us that a noun or pronoun is coming after them. Means something is coming after them. This is the definition of article. आर्टिकल वो शब्द हैं जो हमें बताते हैं कि हमारे बाद कोई व्यक्ति या वस्तु का नाम आ रहा है, कोई व्यक्ति या वस्तु आ रही है. We have two types of article. Two types of article. First, indefinite article. Indefinite article an. An is called indefinite article because it leaves the person of thing indefinite. An को हम indefinite article कहते हैं क्योंकि ये व्यक्ति या वस्तु को अनिश्चितता की अवस्था में छोड़ देते हैं. ये हमें पक्का नहीं बताते उस वस्तु के बारे में. Is called indefinite article. Because it leaves the person or thing indefinite. A is called indefinite article because it leaves the person or thing indefinite. It does not tell the exact. Okay, firstly we will discuss A. Where we use A in English? Where we use A in English? Article. What is the definition of article? Article are those words which tell us that a noun or pronoun is coming after them. Something is coming after them. We have two types of article. Indefinite article. An is called indefinite article because it leaves the person or thing indefinite. We will discuss about it where we use A in English. A. Where we use A. Before a singular common noun. Before a singular common noun, we use indefinite article a. What is common noun? Firstly, we will learn noun. What is noun? Any name is called noun. Any name is called noun. We have put names each and everything. हमने हर चीज का नाम रखा है अपनी सुविधा के लिए. उस नाम को ही नाउन कहते हैं. Any name is called noun. What is common noun? What is common noun? A name given in common. A name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. हम हमारी इस दुनिया में बहुत सारी चीजें रखते हैं और ऐसी चीजें रखते हैं जो एक जैसी दिखाई देती है. हमारे पास ऐसी बहुत सारी चीजें जो एक जैसी दिखाई देती है, देखने में, बनावट में भी, देखने में भी एक जैसी दिखाई देती है. हम उनको अलग अलग नाम देने की बजाय एक इकट्ठा नाम दे देते हैं, एक साझा नाम दे देते हैं. उस साझे नाम को, इकट्ठे नाम को क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. एक जैसी दिखाई देने वाले जितनी भी वस्तुएं हैं, व्यक्ति है, हम उनको एक इकट्ठा, एक साझा नाम देते हैं. उस साझे नाम को ही कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. इन हिंदी में से जातिवाचक संज्ञा. इन इंग्लिश, इन ए नेम गिवन इन कॉमन टू एवरी पर्सन और थिंग ऑफ द सेम क्लास और काइंड इज कॉल्ड कॉमन नाउन. तो फर्स्ट वर्ड इज बिफोर ए सिंगुलर कॉमन नाउन. ही is boy. This is a girl. He is a boy. This is a girl. Here boy is common noun. This is a girl. That's why we say this is a boy, this is a book, this is a school, this is a bag. That's why we say. According to this point, we will say he is a boy, this is a girl. According to this point, before a single common noun, we use a. First point. Second point, when we want to generalize a noun. When we want to generalize a noun, जब हम किसी नाउन के बारे में वर्णन करते हैं, जब हम किसी व्यक्ति या वस्तु के बारे में वर्णन करते हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ करते हैं, when we want to generalize a noun, then we use indefinite article a. For example, a dog is a faithful animal. A dog is a faithful animal. Here we are describing out dog. A book is always a book. Though there is nothing in it. There are many examples. A man is known by the company he keeps. A man is known by the company he keeps. A dog is a faithful animal. A book is always a book. Though there is nothing in it. Here we are describing about faithful animal, dog, and book. So we use indefinite article a when we want to generalize a noun. We can also use a the. The dog is a faithful animal. But in that case, we will say when we want to denote the whole class, then we use definite article. Here it is also right. It is not wrong. It is also right. When we want to generalize on, then we use definite article. A dog is a faithful animal. A book is always a book. Though there is nothing in it. Okay. Second point. Third point. Here students, before a single common noun, we use indefinite article like. Here example has been given. Second point, when you want to generalize a noun, then you need indefinite article like. Here example has been given. Okay. Third point. Before the combination of adjective plus common noun, before the combination of adjective plus common noun, when we find these things combined, then we use indefinite article a. Adjective, what do you mean by adjective? The word which qualifies a noun is called adjective. The word, or you can say, the word used to add something to the meaning of a noun is called adjective. You can say, both definitions are right. The word which qualifies a noun, noun where boy, good boy. Here, good qualifies the boy. What type of boy is? Boy is good. So, before the combination of adjective plus common noun, to have you understood what is adjective? The word which qualifies a noun, or the word used to add something to the meaning of a noun is called an adjective. Common noun, we have already told you what is common noun. A name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind is called common noun. एक इकट्ठा नाम जो एक जैसे दिखाई देने वाले व्यक्ति वस्तु को देते हैं, उस इकट्ठे नाम को, साझे नाम को क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं. जब हम दोनों फैक्ट में जब दोनों बातें में मिल जाती है, एडजेक्टिव और कॉमन नाउन इकट्ठे आ जाते हैं, तो उससे पहले इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल ए लगाते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल, ही इज a good boy. Before the combination of adjective plus common noun. Here we find these two points. So then we use definite article a. He is a good boy. She is a good girl. This is a rotten apple. This is a rotten apple. Adjective plus common noun. Adjective plus. There are many examples. Before the combination of adjective plus common noun. And fourth part is when proper noun becomes a common noun. When proper noun becomes a common noun. What do you mean by proper noun? A particular name, a special name given to everything is called proper noun. A particular name, a special name given to everything is called proper noun. It means व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. Proper noun means व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा. एक खास नाम जो व्यक्ति, वस्तु, स्थान, किसी भी चीज को देते हैं खास नाम, उस खास नाम को हम क्या कहेंगे? प्रोपर नाउन कहेंगे. मींस व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहेंगे. जैसे कि आपकी ये जो जगह है, ये भी एक जगह है, इसको हमने एक खास नाम दे दिया आदमपुर. आपका गांव मोहम्मदपुर हुई है, उसको हमने एक खास नाम दे दिया. उस गांव का गांव भी एक जगह है, उसको हमने एक खास नाम दे दिया मोहम्मदपुर हुई. चूड़ी बागलियां, सदरपुर, अलग अलग जगह है, इनको एक खास नाम दे देते हैं. उस खास नाम को हम क्या कहते हैं? व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. और आपका खुद का नाम, आप भी एक बॉयज है, गर्ल्स है, स्टूडेंट्स है, तो आपको भी खास नाम दिया है. उस खास नाम को हम क्या कहेंगे? व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा कहेंगे. जैसे आपका नाम रमेश है, जैसे आपका नाम सीता है, तो रमेश और सीता क्या? व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा है. A particular name given to every place or thing is called proper noun. When proper noun becomes a common noun, जब व्यक्तिवाचक संज्ञा जातिवाचक संज्ञा बन जाती है, कब बनती है? देखिए, इस दुनिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे व्यक्ति हैं जो अलग अलग तरह की गतिविधियां करते हैं और फेमस हो जाते हैं। वो अपनी गतिविधियां इतनी अच्छी तरह से करते हैं कि उसमें वो फेमस हो जाते हैं। जब वो फेमस हो जाते हैं तो हम हर किसी व्यक्ति को जो उस तरह की गतिविधि करता है उसको उस नाम से पुकारने लग जाते हैं। सपोज कीजिए आपके गांव में कोई बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलता है, बहुत अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलता है, रन बनाता है, काफी अच्छी क्रिकेट खेलता है, मैच भी जीतता है, वो इनाम भी मिलते हैं उसे, हर मैच में वो स्कोर करता है अच्छा, तो क्रिकेट मैच में तो आपके गांव वाले उसे क्या कहेंगे, ये तो हमारे गांव का सचिन तेंदुलकर है, ही इज सचिन तेंदुलकर ऑफ आवर विलेज, ये हमारे गांव का सचिन तेंदुलकर है। तो इन दैट केस व्हेन प्रॉपर नाउन बिकम्स ए कॉमन नाउन, व्हेन प्रॉपर नाउन बिकम्स ए कॉमन नाउन, देन वी यूज इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल ए। I considered him a Shylock. I considered him a Shylock. जाहिर है आपने सचिन तेंदुलकर का नाम सुना है, धोनी का नाम सुना है, लेकिन शायलॉक का नाम शायद आपने ना सुना। आपके मन में प्रश्न होगा कि सर ये शायलॉक क्या चीज है? हमें तो सचिन तेंदुलकर पता है, अब हमें क्या पता है शायलॉक क्या चीज है? देखिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ, जब आप when you go in higher classes, then you will read a play, तब आप एक नाटक पढ़ेंगे, उस नाटक में शायलॉक जो है एक कैरेक्टर है। वो कैरेक्टर क्या करता है? वो लोगों को पैसा ब्याज देता है और बदले में ज्यादा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे देता है और बदले में उनका खून चूसता है, मीन्स ज्यादा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे देता है। तो हम हर उस व्यक्ति को शायलॉक कह सकते हैं जो रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे, ज्यादा रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट पे पैसा देता है। तो इन दैट केस proper noun becomes a common noun. Then we use indefinite article A. When proper noun becomes a common noun, I considered him a Shylock. मैंने उसे Shylock समझा। तो we use indefinite article firstly when before a singular common noun. Before a singular common noun. Again I repeat this topic. What is article? Article are those words which tell us that a noun or pronoun is coming after them. Article वो शब्द हैं जो हमें बताते हैं कि हमारे बाद कुछ न कुछ आ रहा है. Something is coming after them. A boy, the girl, an apple. Something is coming after them. We have two types of article: definite article, indefinite article. Firstly, we have described indefinite article A. A is called indefinite article because it leaves the person or thing indefinite. A और N को indefinite article इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि ये व्यक्ति या वस्तु को अनिश्चितता की अवस्था में छोड़ देते हैं, उसके बारे में पक्का नहीं बताते हैं. For example, I met a boy. I met a boy. It means I don't know him. Who was he? I met the boy. It means I knew him. Earlier I met him. According to definition, they can you tell the exact. Where we use this? Where we use indefinite article A. First point is before a singular common noun. Singular common noun. I have told you what is singular common noun. Common noun. A name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind is called common noun. एक ही तरह की दिखाई देने वाले व्यक्ति वस्तु को कॉमन नाउन जातिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. एक नाम जो है एक खास नाम, एक साझा नाम जो होते हैं, एक तरह की दिखाई देने वाले व्यक्ति वस्तु को इस साझे नाम को हम क्या कहते हैं? कॉमन नाउन कहते हैं, जातिवाचक संज्ञा कहते हैं. बिफोर ए सिंगल कॉमन नाउन वी यूज इंडेफिनिट आर्टिकल. सेकंड पॉइंट, व्हेन वी वांट टू जनरलाइज then we use indefinite article A. A dog is a faithful animal. A book is always good, though there is nothing in it. A man is known by the company he keeps. An elephant is a wise animal. Indefinite article. Before is but here we are discussing about A only. A book is always, though there is nothing in it. Okay, third point is before the combination of adjective plus common noun. Combination of adjective plus common noun. Adjective, I have told you what is an adjective. The word which qualifies a noun is called an adjective. The word used to add something to the meaning of a noun is called an adjective. Common noun I have already told you just now. Fourth point, when proper noun becomes a common noun, I consider in shallow. We use A for these 4 points. Okay. I hope you have understood about A completely. If you don't understand, then you can call up me later. Where we use an. Second point is where we use an. Before vowel sounds. Before vowel sounds. Or you can say in Hindi also. In Hindi also you can say. In lower classes we have read about. In lower classes, especially in starting, we have read A, A, E, U, U, A, E. We have read. It means A, N, R, E, E. Just like when any word starts with the pronunciation of these words, A, E, U, A, O. When any word starts with the pronunciation of these words, then we use N. A apple, an apple, an apple. Owl, an owl. Honorary, honorary, an honorary person, an honorary person. So if you find such type of pronunciation A, E, U, before any words, then use the starting of the words, then use an. So there is only one formula for an before vowel sound. We use an apple, noun, an honorary, air, an air, an air. So here it is clear about and where we use and. By now we have learned about indefinite article. A and N. Okay. Okay, dear friends, by now we have discussed indefinite article an. Now we will further discuss about definite article. What is definite article? Definite article. The is called definite article is called definite article because it leaves the person or thing definite. The is called definite article because it points out particular person, particular thing. Or you can say it points out, or you can say it points out particular person, particular thing. So, we have the definition of definite article. The is called definite article because it points out particular person, particular thing. It leaves the person or thing definite. Okay. Where we use definite article in English, it is also important to know. Okay. We will discuss about the definite article. Where we use the दा का हम प्रयोग कहाँ करते हैं इंग्लिश के अंदर? बिफोर द नेम ऑफ यूनिक थिंग्स इन नेचर, प्रकृति के अंदर जो अनोखी वस्तु उनके नाम क्या गए दा का प्रयोग करते हैं. बिफोर द नेम ऑफ यूनिक थिंग्स इन नेचर, प्रकृति के अंदर जो अनोखी वस्तु, यूनिक मीन्स अनोखी, थिंग्स, थिंग्स में वस्तु भी होता है, थिंग्स में बातें भी होता है. बिफोर द नेम ऑफ यूनिक थिंग्स इन नेचर, प्रकृति के अंदर जो अनोखी वस्तु है उनके नाम क्या गए दा का प्रयोग करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अर्थ, द हमारी जो धरती है ये अनोखी वस्तु है. क्यों है? क्योंकि इस पे जीवन है, इस पे सुंदर सुंदर नदियां हैं, पर्वत है, झरने हैं, ब्यूटीफुल है. तो ये अनोखी वस्तु दुनिया के अंदर इससे द अर्थ, द मून, चांद अपनी तरह से अलग है, अनोखी वस्तु है, इसके समान कोई दूसरा नहीं. द सन, ये प्रकृति के अंदर अनोखी वस्तु है, इनके नाम क्या है दा का प्रयोग करेंगे. बिफोर द नेम ऑफ यूनिक थिंग्स इन नेचर, प्रकृति के अंदर जो अनोखी वस्तु उनके नाम क्या है दा का प्रयोग करेंगे. द मून, द सन. आप अगर दा का प्रयोग नहीं करोगे तो ग्रामेटिकली आपका जो सेंटेंस है गलत हो जाएगा. तो कीप these things in your mind. Second point, before superlative, before superlative, it means third degree. Third degree. What is degree? Degree is the adjective itself. Degree is the adjective itself. It denotes the mere existence of a thing. It denotes the mere existence of a thing. Degree is the adjective itself. So we have three forms of degree. First, positive degree. Second, comparative degree. And third is superlative degree. Third is superlative degree. For example, good. Positive degree, comparative, better. Superlative, best. Degree is the adjective itself. Positive degree denotes the mere existence of a thing. Comparative degree, when used when we compare two things, then we use comparative degree. Superlative degree, it denotes the highest degree. It denotes the highest degree. So we have three forms of degree: positive, comparative, superlative. Good, bad, best. Before superlative degree, use the. For example, he is the best boy of our school. He is the best boy. He is the best boy of our school. Second point, before superlative. Third point, when we find two comparative degree. When we find two comparative degree. जब हमें दो कंपैरेटिव डिग्री इकट्ठी मिल जाती है आर्टिकल के टॉपिक के अंदर, जब हमें दो डिग्रियां इकट्ठी मिल जाती है कंपैरेटिव डिग्री आर्टिकल के टॉपिक के अंदर, तब उनसे पहले ध्यान लगाइए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the higher the cooler. Here higher comparative degree, higher, highest, high, higher, highest. In such a way, cool, cooler, coolest, cool, cooler, coolest, cooler, coolest. When we find two comparative degree, then we use definite article. The higher, the in this way, there are many points left of definite article. I think today is sufficient. These topics by now, up to these topics is sufficient for you. Long classes will bore you. I hope so. So, dear students, whatever you learn only once with patience, sincerely, and with 100% accuracy. Don't think that we will learn this topic after this class, after this class, after lockdown. We will learn this topic. So again, no. If you have such type of tendency, it means you are not sitting seriously, you are not attending my class seriously. So please don't think that we will learn it later. No, do it just now, learn it just now. If you have any problem, you can call up me back, no matter. So I have found that after passing BA, MA classes, students can't raise their hand. They can't say, sir, I know this topic completely. This is the main reason. They sit carelessly when teacher teaches them. This is the main reason. So please, whatever you learn it seriously. Only once, no time and again, with 100% accuracy. I hope you have enjoyed my class. Thank you. Have a nice day.